For years, the Federal Reserve has stood as an independent pillar in American government. Its officials rarely speak out and almost never take sides in politics. But that just changed. For years, Donald Trump hammered the Federal Reserve, accusing it of stifling growth, raising rates too fast, and ignoring everyday Americans. Most Federal Reserve officials pushed back, quietly, respectfully. But now, with inflation cooling and political pressure rising, the unthinkable is happening. Federal Reserve insiders are starting to break rank and agree with Trump's core argument that the Federal Reserve should stop the pain, lower interest rates, and avoid triggering a deep recession. It is a shift that could shake the foundations of central banking and change the course of the next election. Because when the Federal Reserve moves, it affects us all. The real question is not why Federal Reserve officials are joining Trump. It is what happens next. Subscribe for more fearless political storytelling.